Hello, my name is Vincent Tamboro. I'm going to demonstrate how to properly put together a spay pack. So we have all our instruments here. So we have our Addison Brown tissue forceps, we have our scalpel holder, and we have our Jones clips. We have 4 Jones clips. And then here we have 4 hemostatic forceps, all curved. And then over here we have 4 Kellys. We have 2 curved and 2 straight. And then we have the Rochester forceps, 2 of them. And then we have 2 Elise tissue forceps. And then we have the Olsen hanger needle holder. And then to round it up, we have 4 Buckus towel clamps. And then our scissors here. And then on this side we have the Messenbaum scissors. We have 1 straight, and then we have 1 curved. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all this stuff together nice and neat. And make sure we put our 2 scissors underneath all this. Go. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna put our other scissors up top. Push everything together. We're gonna wrap it. We need to, before we wrap it, we gotta put our 10 gauzes, 10 here, on top. We're gonna put our scissors, we gotta put our scissors here, and then put our gauzes here, and then the other set of gauzes right here with an indicator strip that goes nicely on top. And now we're gonna wrap it. Start from the corner. Wrap it up, make sure it's nice and tight. This corner next. Hold it up. And we're gonna go down here. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Hold it up. Last but not least, the ends, fold it up, tuck in, and final part, up and over, and piece up and over, and you're going to want to tuck this piece in here, just like that. And we're going to take our tape, put it over, and then what we do with our tape is we're going to put our name, the date it's going to be autoclaved, and then also indicator tape as well. All right, thank you so much.